What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down everything we know about the future of Samsung's wearable lineup. Excitement is building as new leaks have surfaced regarding the upcoming Galaxy Watch 9 and the high-end Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Samsung is clearly pushing the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do, focusing on better battery life, faster connectivity and more power than ever before. In this video, we will look at some of the latest technical specifications and features that have just been revealed so you can decide if it's worth waiting for these new models. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is set to become a powerhouse for mobile users. A major leak has confirmed that this will be the first Samsung smartwatch to support 5G connectivity. In the past, the Galaxy Watch Ultra only supported 4G LTE, but the move to 5G changes everything. This means the watch will have a much faster and more stable internet connection on its own, allowing you to stream high-quality audio, download large files, or use data-heavy applications without ever needing your phone nearby. It turns the watch into a truly independent communication tool for athletes and power users. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 isn't just about faster internet, it is also packed with advanced hardware for better connectivity and safety. It is expected to feature the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 6.0 standards along with ultra-wideband technology for precise location tracking. Perhaps the most interesting addition is the rumored support for satellite connectivity known as NB-NTN. This feature would allow the watch to send emergency messages or share your location even when you are in a remote area with zero cellular signal. This makes the Ultra 2 a serious contender for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable safety net on their wrist. Next, the most exciting detail confirmed for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is the heart of the device, the Snapdragon Elite chip. Samsung has confirmed this new processor for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. This new processor is built on an advanced 3nm process, making it one of the most powerful and efficient chips ever put into a wearable. This will ensure that the user interface stays buttery smooth no matter how many applications you are running. Most importantly, the chip includes a dedicated AI engine that will power advanced fitness coaching and real-time health monitoring. This confirms that the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 will be the fastest and most capable smartwatch Samsung has ever released. And this will come with better power efficiency as well, so we can expect better battery performance on the brand new Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. We are already getting close to about 3 days of battery performance. With the brand new Snapdragon Elite, we can expect more than 3.5 to 4 days of battery performance on this watch, and that is going to be just amazing. Having said all this, we do not really know whether the regular Watch 9 series would also rock a Snapdragon chip or not. Samsung may want to use their Exynos chipset in the regular model and may offer Snapdragon on the Ultra series. We don't really know. Let's wait and see that. The next important information is about the Galaxy Watch 9 44mm version. This version of the Galaxy Watch 9 is expected to include a 435 mAh battery. This battery size is similar to the Watch 8 regular 44mm watch. So apparently there is no improvement in the battery size or battery performance unless Wear OS is more efficient on the device. And if we are getting Exynos chipset on the Galaxy Watch 9 regular, then the battery life may remain same. But if we get a Snapdragon chip on the regular Watch 9, then we can expect the battery life to improve a bit. As for when we can get our hands on these devices, the current leak point to a summer 2026 launch. Samsung typically holds its major wearable events in July, often alongside its newest foldable phones. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is being developed with a name closely linked to the Watch 9 series, suggesting it will share a similar design language but with more rugged materials to handle extreme conditions. We can expect premium builds, improved sensor for health tracking, more AI features, Snapdragon Elite chipset, satellite connectivity, etc. Now, is this good enough for you to upgrade this year? Drop a comment and let me know. If you are planning to buy any other predecessors of the Galaxy Watch 9 series, then just wait for it until the launch of Galaxy Watch 9 series and then you can decide whether to upgrade or not. I will keep you guys updated about everything that is happening with the upcoming Galaxy Watch 9 series. So stay tuned, be sure to subscribe. There are tons of contents about Galaxy phones as well on the channel. Go ahead, check them out. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.